Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix camera shaking problem on iPhone. If your iPhone camera is shaking or producing blurry photos, try these troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. Number one is clean the camera lens. Dust, dirt and dubs or fingerprint might causes camera shakes. Gently clean the lens with a soft cloth and see if it resolves the issue. Simply clean the camera lens with soft cloth or tissue paper and fix your problem. Number second is remove the case. Sometimes the problem is in case. Simply remove the back case and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is if lens is cover, simply remove the lens cover and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is restart your iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to shut down, dragging the slider to right side and wait 5 to 10 seconds. When your iPhone is completely turned off, turn it on back and fix your problem. Sometimes a simple restart can fix software glitches causing camera issues. Number 4 is check for software update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, as update often include camera improvement and bug fixes. Tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset iPhone settings. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action and wait 5 to 10 seconds. If solution number 6 is not working, now applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is check for physical damage. If your iPhone has been dropped or damaged, the camera might be physically damaged, contact Apple support or visit the Apple store for further assistance. Number 6, use a tripod stabilizer. If camera shake is due to hand movement, consider using a tripod or handheld stabilizer for steadier shots. If solution number 7 is not working, now 8 is not working, now applying the solution number 9. Check for app issues. If the problem occurs only with the specific app, try updating the reinstalling the app and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, back up and restore your iPhone. If none of the above steps work, try restoring your iPhone to its factory settings and setting it up is as new. Tap on settings, tap on general, little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset, erase all content and setting, continue, erase iPhone and set up your iPhone to fix camera problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix camera shaking on iPhone after update iOS 17.5. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.